Hi, today I'm going to do a quick update on the battery testing equipment. I put together a device using the testing equipment that I showed last time, and there it is. So I am now able to test multiple batteries easily. I'm able to flip between things very easily. I just hook up the battery to these two terminals. I hook up the load, which in this case is the little motor, but could be an LED, or it could even be the more advanced, the EBD plus, the USB EBD plus that can do that. To charge it, all I have to do is go like that, and it charges. There's a middle off position. Discharge it, I go like that. Very easy, very slick, and I'm really enjoying it. The 12 volts comes in there and powers the 2 meters and then also the charging. This isn't just a meter, this is the step-down converter as well that provides the lower voltage that I want for using the batteries. The other thing I wanted to share is I've, of course, already come up with some upgrades to this. You know, nothing is good enough as it is. In this one, I was using this device. It is a it provides a huge amount of voltage and amperage, much more than I need. It goes up to 10 amps, it goes up to, I think, 100 volts or something crazy like that. It uses, I've noticed though that there's several different versions of this on the market. This version uses 3 heavy wires and 2 skinny wires. Okay, these 2 skinny wires power the meter itself. The big heavy wires, 2 of them are you do the plus and minus on the power, and then the middle one you actually use to go onto the load. And so it senses the voltage from the positive voltage. It's a little confusing, but it works, and it works out okay. There is a new version of a meter that is almost identical to this, or new to me. But it's really cool because it has an extra digit of precision on the voltage in amps. And that means that it goes down to a finer degree of voltage in amps, which is really good for me in these low voltage amp batteries. So I should be getting that in soon, and we'll see what happens. It's wired up in a slightly different way. Okay, so here's a picture of the new one. And then here is a wiring diagram of the new one. Okay, so you'll notice it has 3 skinny wires. It has the plus and minus for powering the meter itself. And then it has a yellow wire. This is a blue one. It has a yellow wire that's this minor. That's a voltage sense wire. So that makes a lot of sense that you say that's where you get the voltage from. And then on this side, it just has 2 wires, and you run that, the load, the battery that you're testing, in this case, and the load through those 2 wires, and that'll give you the amperage. It makes a lot of sense, actually. It's an easier circuit than, to me, that understandable, if you will, than the one I was using. But the main reason I like it is because it gives me an extra level of precision. The other thing I like about it is that it's on sale right now, through this month at least, for $3.99. So it's nice and cheap. $3.99 down from $6.62. Even at $6.62, it'd be fine. A nice little panel meter. But at $3.99, it's a good one. The link will be down in the description. And that's it for today. I just wanted a quick update. Thanks a lot.